Hey y'all, today is week 11 of construction. We're going into week 11 and I just wanted to show you the progress that we have so far. I guess the last video that I made we had no siding, so now we have siding and all that good stuff. I'm just gonna take y'all inside so you get to see the progress on the inside. I love this gray color that I picked out. So once you come through the front door, my office is to the left here. And the flooring is covered up right now because they just did the hardwood and guys are still in and out with their work shoes and things. So they like to cover the floor. But as you can kind of see here, that's the color hardwood. It's like a dark wood, but it's like a gray color. I am obsessed with it. So this is my office. Nice big space. So excited, I can't wait to decorate. And then back out here to my right, here's the kitchen. I'm gonna have the wall oven